actually set up my desk, solving the problem.
चमाट मारूंगी ज़्यादा बकवास किया तो।
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Meg. I am 20 years old and I'm currently in third year CSE BTech. And welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Otherwise, welcome. So I have been MIA for a long time. If you have not watched the last vlog, you should. It's a really fun vlog. But other than that, I have not really posted anything lately. And after my exams ended throughout the semester break, I was just in a rut. I don't know what happened. I was in a slump. I tried recording, but I just couldn't. मैं फ़ोन का कैमरा ऑन करके रिकॉर्ड बटन प्रेस ही नहीं कर पा रही थी. So I did try to film 2 videos, but then I deleted those and then I tried recording again, but I just couldn't. Okay, so that's what has been up, and my 5th semester is starting this Tuesday. Today is Sunday, 9th of August, and our 5th semester is starting from 11th of August. So yeah, I will have to prep a little bit. I have to print my syllabus, I have to get some notebooks and stuff, and I have to study, of course. And yesterday I actually set up my desk. ये actually मेरे उस room में था, my previous room, technically my room. So it was there. I brought it here. I cleaned it पूरा because it was in such a bad situation, and I rearranged everything. I set it up properly, and yeah, it looks really good, and I'm kind of motivated to sit here for now. So yeah, that is it. Also I've been waking up like super late in the last few weeks. I've been waking up at like 10:30 11. मैं उठती हूँ अचानक से, मैं देखती हूँ कि 3 बज गए हैं. आधा डे इज़ ऑलरेडी गॉन, विच आई डोंट लाइक. बट पता नहीं क्या हुआ था, लाइक आई जस्ट couldn't wake up. Today I woke up at 9:15, which is still good, and because college is starting I have to wake up at 7. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to try my best. So yeah, that's all the update. I have had my breakfast. Right now it's like 10:15, and I will start with my work, like with my day. Hi guys. So I haven't updated you in a while. It has been an hour, more than an hour actually. Currently it is 12:43, so it's almost 1. I am almost done with this lecture, and basically इस lecture में जो DSA के कुछ question patterns है उसका discussion है, and also along with that solving the problem on LeetCode. तो मैं LeetCode पे भी उसके साथ साथ ही कर रही हूँ. because to be very honest, I don't have a lot of coding skills yet, sadly, but I'm trying my best. तो ये करके I will go take a shower and then I'll take a small break. Maybe I'll read or I'll watch the show that I am so obsessed with Mentalist. If you have not watched that show, you need to watch that show. It's called The Mentalist. It's on Netflix. It's so good. Hi guys, it is 2:15ish right now. I just took a shower and now I'm going to have my lunch. I was also reading my book a little bit. So I'm gonna have my lunch right now and uske baad I'll watch Netflix or something. I need a break and then we're gonna continue studying. So yeah, that is it. Hi guys, it is क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? It's 3:30 right now, exactly. I just edited my YouTube short. जो मैंने बोला ना कि डेस्क सेटअप का मैंने एक छोटा सा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया था, तो उसी का मैंने थोड़ा एडिट किया. Should I do voice over in it? हाँ, I think I should do voice over in that video. अच्छा लगेगा फिर. Anyways, तो I edited that video and now I think I'm going to take some rest for like an hour or something. I want to take a nap, to be very honest. I want to sleep. But नींद तो मुझे आती नहीं है, वो अलग बात है. तो let's try to sleep. थोड़ा ASMR सुनूंगी. इतना अच्छा धूप हो रहा है भाई. भाई literally 2 minutes ago इतनी धूप आ रही थी, इतनी अच्छी सी. Anyways, it's been an hour since I last talked to you and yes, I told you that I'm gonna take a nap, but मुझे नींद नहीं आई. What the hell is happening, bro? Like So it is currently, मैं सोई नहीं हूँ, by the way. I didn't take a nap. The time right now is 6:57. 7 बजने वाले हैं basically, and I was just lying on my bed. I edited my YouTube short. ओ मुझे YouTube short डालना है भाई, मैं भूल गई थी. I edited it, वो मुझे अब अपलोड करना है. And I'm gonna start studying again. I know बहुत लंबा break हो गया. I thought I'll sleep, but भाई नींद ही नहीं आती. I don't know why. Also I need to make coffee because physically I feel tired, but नींद नहीं आ रही है. So I'll just get some coffee and then we will start studying again. So you might be wondering what I'm doing. I'll tell you. तो मैं बताती हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ basically. So I was going to buy a notebook, but I thought कि हर सेमेस्टर में ना बहुत सारे पेजेस मेरे बच रहे हैं, ठीक है, बहुत सारे, क्योंकि पहले तो आई टेक ऑल द नोट्स, आई डू ऑल द क्लासेस एंड एवरीथिंग, बट फिर थर्ड ईयर में तो वैसे भी हम थोड़ा कम ही कॉलेज जाएंगे ना. तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मेरे जो थर्ड सेमेस्टर और सेकंड सेमेस्टर के नोटबुक्स हैं, मैं उनसे सारे वो फाड़ रही हूँ, ठीक है. मैंने बहुत सारे नोट्स बनाए एक्चुअली, ब्रो, आई नेवर थॉट, बट सारे मैंने नोट्स वगैरह फाड़ दिया एंड इनको मैं बहुत अच्छे से रख दूँगी स्टेपल करके. बट आई विल बी यूजिंग दीज नोटबुक्स, क्योंकि एक और नोटबुक ख़रीदना अभी इज़ वेरी इलॉजिकल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. उसके भी फिर पेजेस बच जाएंगे फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर. Hi, so I did what I was doing. ये रहे मेरे सारे नोट्स. बहुत मोटा हो गया ये फाइल, बट या
the carpe diem that I wrote today morning. भाई पता नहीं क्या हो गया, मुझे ना थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा है. I feel very demotivated suddenly. पता नहीं मैंने ये क्यों ही लिखा था आज सुबह कार्पे डियम. उल्टा हो गया पूरा. मतलब उल्टा नहीं हुआ, सुबह तो आई डिड स्टडी अ लॉट, आई वाज प्रोडक्टिव एंड स्टफ. बट सीज द डे वाली जो फीलिंग वो अभी नहीं आ रही है. I wrote Geet's dialogue from Jab We Met. चमाट मांगी ज़्यादा बकवास किया तो.
Hi guys, it is the next day and today is 10th of August. It's a Monday. Last night I didn't film anymore. Actually I wanted to, but कल बहुत बुरा meltdown हो गया था मेरा रात को. I cried a lot. I don't exactly know why, but I did. And कि अगर ऐसा कुछ होता तो I talk to you guys about it, right? But कल I just didn't want to, because I wanted to keep this full video a nice study vlog kind of video. Like I have to be honest around here. कल रात को जितना मैंने पढ़ा देखा, you guys saw it. उसके बाद I got my syllabus printed. My dad got it printed for me. This is the syllabus, so that is done. And after that I had my dinner, and then I was going to study again, but I had a very bad meltdown and I don't know what happened. Okay, I was awake, meltdown wala pura process hua, and then I slept at like 1:30 ish. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I got my syllabus printed, I got the notebooks done, I got new pens. That is it. I will see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one, and stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I love you guys so much. You already know that. If you are an existing viewer, I love you a lot. You already know. I always say that. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Please take care of yourselves, stay happy, stay safe, and keep working hard. I love you. Bye. Thank you for being here. Bye.